Most people stake and then they feel stuck, whereas Ignition lets you stake while staying flexible. So let me show you how liquid staking works and how you can stake directly with the Fogees Hub. So firstly, we're going to start off here at X. So at Ignition XYZ, here's your link. You can click on it. Alternatively, if you're using Nightly Wallet, come down to apps and you can just scroll down until you find it right down here and then click on this link. Let's go and stake and I'll talk you through everything. Let's click on Validators and we'll sign in and connect our wallet. We're using Nightly for this one. Change the duration to whatever it is you're after, 1 hour, 1 day, etc. Log in and approve the transaction as is standard. And then select Fogees Hub right here, click stake, and then put in the number of tokens you want to actually stake. So I may want to put in like 1,800 tokens, and then I can just click stake. And just like that, transaction is successful and I have staked. Now you're going to see down the bottom that one iFogo is equal to more than one Fogo. And this is normal. This is how every liquid staking token, LST, works. You can also see the current APY is 110%. And this will go down, and it'll go down pretty quickly as more and more people actually stake their Fogo tokens. And in the not too distant future, it'll be one iFogo equals 1.5 Fogo. At the top, you can see the normal stuff, the total value locked, this will grow, and the holders very, very early, this will grow as well. If you want to unstake, just click on unstake and you can unstake instantly just by clicking on this, or you can do delay. Both of them have a fee. Delay is a little bit less and instant is a little bit more. The portfolio tab is still being built out, but this is where you can see how much iFogo you have. And now let's have a look at the rewards tab. This is the rewards tab. And what do we know about the rewards? Well, in this tweet here, it says stake now and earn Ignition miles. In the real world, if you fly with airlines, you get miles. And I guess if you stake with Ignition, you get their miles. What do these miles actually mean for you? Well, it's speculation, of course, and nothing's financial advice, but I would assume points would end up equating to, well, I think you know what it would equate to in the future, potentially. Either way, while the rewards program is ongoing, the very important thing to know is that you're earning yield on your Fogo. So if you don't stake it, you're losing out to inflation. Now, the next part is very important. So this is my current TVL, points earned, and I have a DeFi score, which is a little bit low at present, and I've opened one box. So if I click on open, you can see that I opened this box and this had a certain number of points. Tomorrow I'll open some more, and hopefully pretty quickly, I'll end up being on a higher tier, and I will not be sitting down there in Ember. So the wallet I showed you is a tutorial wallet, but on this wallet, you can see that I still have a box to open and it expires every day. So if I do not claim this in 7 hours, then those points, they are foregone. So opening it is very simple. Click on open. Ta-da, I've earned some points. And then tomorrow I'll be able to open another one. So very, very simple. Pick a particular time when you want to open your box every day and then log in and open your box so you can continually upgrade your points. And then of course, if you've managed to accumulate more Fogo by buying some or trading some or whatever it is you're doing, then you can go and stake that to the Fogees Hub validator again and keep on increasing your Fogo exposure. Nothing's financial advice. We're just showing you how this all works and we're using this ourselves. Now that you can earn yield without locking yourself out of DeFi, you can stake, stay liquid, and keep your options open and support our mission to be the Fogo education hub. And in addition, the moment that we can use this in DeFi platforms like Pyron, so we can borrow against it, we'll show you that in future tutorials.